Tim, firstly, congratulations on a wonderful event here at Abu Dhabi's Armed Forces Club. Obviously, it's part of the bigger picture. The bigger picture is UMEX 2020. Can you share with us your thoughts on participating at this year's exhibition?
Yeah, it's great to be at UMEX this year because UMEX is in its fourth iteration and continues to grow. And I think the impact of UMEX is really quite significant now. For us, Houbara, the big excitement is having for the first time the Banshee next generation aerial target on our stand. This is now the top of our family of Banshee targets. It's been around for quite a long time, but this allows us to provide a target that has higher speed, higher agility, and can operate at a much higher altitude. And we'll also have our friends from North America displaying. We've got the Talon, the fifth iteration of the Talon robot, very well-known EOD robot, and also we're exhibiting Spur. So we've got a lot going on our stand.
So here today's British Business Group Abu Dhabi's breakfast briefing. Can you just illustrate to us the objectives of this particular gathering and how it really fits in with Houbara's strategy?
So Houbara was set up initially to look after providing targets threat replication for the UAE Armed Forces, but we're progressively branching out into offering autonomy and robotics solutions as well. So today was an opportunity to bring in colleagues from QinetiQ to talk about some of the experimentation work that they've been doing in the UK, particularly in the ground environment, and to share some of the insights from that experimentation work with business colleagues here in Abu Dhabi.
This morning we learnt about trends, particularly with autonomy and its application in land forces. Can you share with us your thoughts about how it fits in with the UAE Armed Forces plans for the future?
So the UAE Armed Forces are a thoroughly modern and forward-looking armed forces, and they are very interested in the potential benefits of autonomous systems, primarily as a force multiplier. The UAE Armed Forces are relatively small, but they have very broad responsibilities, and so the ability to use their manpower more wisely by filling in some of the gaps with autonomous systems or supplementing their capability with autonomous systems is very attractive.
A lot of what we heard about this morning had the theme of collaboration. Can you just talk to us a little about how Houbara is operating with partners in the UAE?
Yeah, sure. So collaboration, certainly some of the work that we were hearing about this morning in experimentation is about nobody has all the answers to some of these autonomy challenges, and so you go and look for a whole range of different partners, people who can provide some of the intellectual capital, but also some of the engineering expertise and some of the more specific platform engineering. So we have a number of partners, potential partners identified here. And more broadly, we're very keen to tap into the UAE as a potential source of supply, to broaden out our supply chain and then use that to support globally QinetiQ.